Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install previous AMD drivers and downgrade to older AMD driver version. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type device manager, click on open it. You just need to expand the display adapter section and in here you can able to see your AMD graphics card model name. You just need to note down your graphics card model name. After that, just right click on it and select uninstall device. Attempt to remove the driver for this device. Check mark it and select the uninstall option and uninstall it. After the uninstall done, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open up Chrome. Search AMD driver update and press enter. Select the first link. Scroll down, browse products, select graphics, product family. You just need to select the graphics card model. After selecting your graphics card model, select the submit option. Now you just need to scroll down. You can able to see the option previous drivers option. Click on it. Now you just need to expand it. It depends on where system. This is the latest driver, and you just need to scroll down and find the 2023 release date driver. As you can see, this is 2023, and you just need to download this driver, guys. Select the download option. After getting download done, you just need to install this driver, guys. After the installation done, that's how you install previous AMD driver and downgrade to older AMD driver version. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.